Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the another brand new video. In this video we will learn how easily we can create high quality photo and video mockups for ads. Yes, this one is very important because if you use low quality photo and video mockups, then you are unable to generate good amount of money by running Facebook ads. Because of that, high quality photo and video mockups is super essential if you want to get good return on investment. To create high quality photo and video mockups, my favorite tool is PlaceIt. Just simply open up your browser and in browser URL type msbdigital.com/placeit. Then hit enter. Then you just navigate to this site. Just simply click on the free account and sign up for an account. If you already have an account, then just click on log in. I have already an account there, so I just simply click and log in with my email and password. On top left under mockups I can see freebies, t-shirt, apparel videos. If I click on apparel videos, then here I can see bunch of different video based template. Every single templates are completely editable. You can easily place your design on the t-shirt and then easily you can export that edited video. If you hover over the mouse on any template, then you can see the preview of that. Not only t-shirt, you can even add your design on mug. Another example can be mask. If you want to promote your mask to increase sale or cap, then easily you can do it. Even phone case. If you have any plan to sell phone case, then easily you can create video based or photo based mockup using this PlaceIt tool. But in this case, we just focus on t-shirt. Actually, you don't need any expensive camera, lighting or anything to create this type of professional looking videos. In this case, we will use this design, this specific t-shirt design on our video ads. Okay, this time, let's say this time we will use this template to modify. Okay, to edit this one, I just simply click on it. Now let's play this video template. Alright, on PlaceIt, here you can see recommended upload size of image is 750 by 750 pixel. Now using Photoshop, I just simply create a document on this size. That's why I just simply create new and set width and height 750 pixel. Alright. Now I drag and drop our t-shirt design right here on this blank document. Now I just resize our design a little bit and place it right here. And after that we need to transparent the background. That's why I just simply hide the background layer. Now I export this image as a PNG format. Alright, make sure transparency, this option is checked. Even in the preview, here you can see the transparent background. Now I just simply save it in desktop. Now from PlaceIt, on insert image, I just simply upload our exported design. Okay, now I just repositioning this design. Using this slider, you can easily zoom or zoom out your design. Okay, now I just simply upload it. Now loading the preview. And yes, we are done. But our hoodie color is white. From this hoodie color option, I just simply change this color from white to black. Perfect. Now if I click on play all, then here you can see we need to wait a little bit of time because on background they are just rendering the video. Alright, here you can see the final output of it. Look how professional this is. Awesome, right? No need expensive camera, model or anything to create this type of awesome video ad. Now on this video, if you want to add audio track, then click on audio. Now here you can see bunch of different audio. Just select any of your preferred category and click on the play icon to listen the preview. Now according with your video, just simply select any of your preferred audio track. On the timeline, by default, here you can see one slider. If you want to add another, then just click on add slide. On the left, here you can see bunch of different categories. This time I just simply select mockup. Under mockup, here we can see bunch of different video based mockups. You can use any of them. Actually, by adding different sliders, you can easily increase your video ads length. This time I just simply select this template and add it on our timeline. This time from the timeline I just simply select this slide and change the hoodie color from white to black, and after that I just insert our t-shirt design. Now I just repositioning the design and click on crop. Our design is uploading. Wait for a moment, and yes, we are done. Perfect. Now two templates are attached together. Now I click on play all sliders. Our video is preparing. Please wait some time. Another interesting thing is to use this PlaceIt software, you don't need high configuration computer. All you need is a basic level of computer and internet connection. That's all. Our processing is completed. Now I just simply click on download to download this video to get the final output. PlaceIt just processing our mockup. Now we need to wait some time. Actually, they will also email us when the file is ready. And yes, everything is processing is done. If I click on this download, then here you can see our video size is around 28 MB. Video is downloading. Once it is done, then just simply play this clip to see the final output. Super cool, right? Now hope you understand. If you really want to create this level of video with your own, then this will cost you a lot. But using PlaceIt, you can easily customize video based ad in your own way. That's why I like this tool a lot. If you have any plan to run paid campaign, then to get good return on investment, I recommend you to create professional video ad. This will help you a lot to achieve maximum success. Not only for paid campaign, if you want to grow your social media profile, your niche-based social media profile, then you can also use this PlaceIt. Anyway, hope you understand how powerful this tool is. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys to the next one.